Oke, selamat pagi sobat pemikir keras. Kali ini saya akan mengulik sebuah permainan Sweet Bonanza Candyland. Ya, langsung saja ini sebuah tips untuk mendapatkan profit harian permainan Sweet Bonanza Candyland. Oke, langsung saja. Oke guys, kita akan memulai di bet 4000. Jika tidak keluar angka 1, kita akan berbesar lagi. Jadi ayo. Eh, 5. Langsung saja kita pasang taruhannya di angka 1. Kita bet 4000 guys.
Cartoon Network. I think it was a Nickelodeon. Avatar: The Last Airbender.
Bayangkan 4000 10 kali.
Or what about Cartoon Network?
Kita lihat.
I used to watch Avatar: The Last Airbender on television when I was little. It was like the best. At some point, I had watched it so many times that I ended up memorizing the lines the characters were saying.
It's okay.
Our winning result is number 5 violet part of the plum section. Congratulations to all of the winners, and betting time is open for you.
Pasti akan
So
keluar
which
angka 1
of the
guys.
avatars do you mean? The one with the tall blue avatars? I know that a lot of people are talking about it lately, so maybe that's the one you are talking about, but still. Cute in glasses. Thank you. No, I haven't. Of the avatar, and I know there is a second one too, but I did not manage to watch that one. So they actually made a third one.
Tenang.
We're having a 2 blue part of the grape section.
Kita naikkan
Congratulations to
betnya
all of the
menjadi
winners, and
16,
betting
guys.
time's open for you. Ooh, also it's time for our general disclaimer. Please, 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 always make sure that you have finished covering your betting options or your betting choices or
Kali ini
the
pasti
results you
satu
want to
guys,
go
karena
for
sudah 3 kali.
before
552.
you answer something I might have asked,
Keluar angka
or
1.
just anything, just to be sure that you don't miss any of the results, which could happen here. Because I'm noticing this is happening quite a couple of times during my show, so I just feel like I should remind people. So cute, Rami. Oh, thank you so much. I do apologize, but I cannot see your username. We're having a 5 violet part of the plum section. Congratulations to all of the winners, and betting time is open for you. Hi, Johnny.
Oke, no
How are
problem,
you
kita naikkan
doing?
bet
Let's
kita.
spin the wheel. Where's the bonus? On a boat on the chocolate river. Why, Ramily? I'm not sure what it is that you are asking me, Rio. Not all the time, next. We had some pretty good sessions until now. Just this one is a bit more tricky. Two blue from the grape section is our winning result. Congratulations to all of the winners. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy New Year to you as well. Let's spin the wheel. If I can hit one like banana or a bonus. Bonus time. I agree with that. I agree with that. The one that that's supposed to hit the most.
Satu.
And which one would that be according to you?
Oh, fuck.
The winning result for this round is number 2, blue, part of the grape
I guess
section.
kita all in.
Congratulations to all of the winners, and betting time's open for you. So, banana? Let's spin the wheel. Can I contact customer support for you? I understand how you are feeling, but I didn't actually take them. The winning result for this round is number 1, yellow, part of the banana section. Congratulations to all of the winners, and betting time's open for you. Okay, again, I do understand how you're feeling, but I'm not choosing what lands. Let's spin the wheel. If I did, it would be bonuses all the time. Honestly. 6 times no banana. Well, sometimes that just happens. Sometimes we get a lot of bananas in a row, sometimes we don't. I don't know. I hope you'll have better spins. I'm not sure if it's even like related to math necessarily, because sometimes some things are just happening here. Like for example, in 1 yellow from banana section, congratulations. Bidding time's open for you. In one of our previous sessions, we had just so many bonuses happening, like so many of them. It's just the chance. Let's spin the wheel. Whatever the wheel happens to have in that moment. Sometimes it's a lot of fruits, sometimes it's a lot of bonuses. I'm not acting like I don't know what you're saying. I literally said I understand how you're feeling like. And then I went to clarify that I am not choosing what is landing. I'm not good at spinning the wheel. You're funny. Sugar bomb. And did someone specifically share this, or someone in the customer support, or someone official, or is this just one of the many theories that people have that don't
actually correlate with reality, because I cannot see what I'm spinning? 2x multiplier for the sugar bomb, and if you have the sugar bomb booster activated, then the 2x is going to be a 4x. Best of luck. I'm not sure how that would make any sense for me to avoid a specific thing. Like, who would that? It doesn't even make any sense. 5 violet from the plum section. Congratulations. Betting time's open for you. From the point of view of the fact that everybody can win on any of the 6 winning options. Let's spin the wheel. You know, you could have just asked, and I would have told you really how it works like. Because I love talking about this. I love talking to people about the beauty of the set and like everything that is here and how the game works like and everything. I would have definitely told you. Log, I don't understand the question. We're having a 2 blue part of the grape section. Congratulations to all of the winners, and betting time's open for you. Blake is still enjoying his break right now. Let's spin the wheel. Okay, Ian. Have a good time over there, my dear. I've been spinning the wheels for the past 3 years. That's my queen, Romilly. Hi! I'm just meaning to say that if someone would have considered I'm not, then I wouldn't... Like, logically speaking, right? If I wasn't actually doing what I was supposed to be doing, I would not be here. I mean, I don't know. I'm just trying to think of it. 1 yellow from banana section. Congratulations. Betting time's open for you. Anyway, I hope you get the results you want. Let's spin. When last candy and sweet... This looks like a long time ago. I wouldn't be able to tell you where. I cannot see that further behind in history, but you can access the history or the statistics, which will display the latest round and up to the last 500 rounds for you. And the way you can do that is pressing this button. It's in the lower left corner of your screen. It's a little square button to blue from the grape section. Congratulations. Betting time's open for you. Let's spin the wheel. So it's this little square button in the lower left corner. It has the... A little menu will pop up and you'll be able to scroll through the round. Nikki. Stop. How did you get me confused with her? I mean, it's just funny. 2 blue from the brave section. Congratulations. Bidding time's open for you. I'm not sure if you're talking about one of the previous shows, but if you are, I'm really happy for you. I don't know what's with all this static lately, because everything I touch has like a little electric thing to it. Like, I got static electricity. Even like when I'm petting my cat, there's like these little sparks. You are? That's great. I'm happy for you. I'm a bit confused actually. The winning result for this round is number 1 yellow, part of the banana section. Congratulations to all of the winners, and bidding time's open for you. How much biggest bonus today from Romilly? I wouldn't be able to tell you because, just a kind reminder, I cannot see the total multipliers of the candy drop. For example, whenever we are in the candy drop, I only see the multipliers from the chocolate bars, which are going from the left and right. Are you talking to me, Nick? The winning result for this round is number 2 blue, part of the grape section. Congratulations to all of the winners, and bidding. Let's spin the wheel. It's just makeup, Nick. It's just makeup. Honestly, if I were to be able to pick in between wearing makeup and not wearing makeup, I would not personally wear it. Maybe I'll just have a little bit of eyeshadow and concealer, but that's about it. Are you asking me if I'm angry? Because I'm not. I'm actually just chilling. I'm very chill today. Blue from the break section. Congratulations to all of the winners, and bidding time's open for you. Yeah. But I do feel like that sometimes as well, if that's your question.
Yeah.
I'm sure everybody's feeling like that every now and then. Let's spin the wheel. Because, you know, it's just like... I don't have an answer to that because I don't have the information, but... I could try to look for the answer in my break and tell you when I come back. Is that okay? The winning result for this round is number 2 blue, part of the grape section. Congratulations to all of the winners, and bidding time's open for you. What exactly should I see? I'm not sure what it is that you would like to focus. You would like for me to focus on? The break is breaking your heart. Georgia, my dear, there's no break in the wheel. Waiting for the day. The winning result for this round is number 2 blue, part of the grape section. Congratulations to all of the winners. Bidding time's open for you. How is what possible, jackpot? Let's see. I wouldn't know to tell you. Sometimes we're just defying some things, right? Like how we had a session full
Of bonuses constantly, like every few rounds we were having bonuses, and like 6 rounds out of 10 there were bonuses, and technically it should be the other way around.
Sugar.
We just had that, right?
Sugar, guys.
Sugar bomb. When in doubt,
Sweet.
4x multiplier
Let's go.
for this. I did not think you would laugh at that. 4x multiplier for this sugar bomb, and if you have the sugar bomb booster activated, then 4x is going to be an 8x. Best of luck to you. Yeah, Blake will be here soon after the sugar bomb, unless we have a bonus in the sugar bomb.
Candy.
No. Okay. No, I was hoping. 2 blue from the grape section. Congratulations. Have a great time with Blake. See you again soon.
Thank you so much. Hi, this is